welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be all about food. We're going to be doing like a what we eat in a day today, just to give you guys like a little insight. You're going to learn in this video that I eat a crap ton of food in a day, but it's all healthy, so it kind of like balances itself out. Also, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. So for my breakfast, I am having 2 eggs, and I know it looks really bad in the pan. I'm really bad at cracking eggs, and I always make them look super like not edible. And then I'm also having some strawberries and grapes and a glass of water. So I just came back from my interview and we got Starbucks. I always get the same thing. It's either a normal, like plain hot latte or a plain cold latte. So I got the cold one this time because I'm in like the summer mood.
And I got hot chocolate. Yeah, and a cake pop.
And no, we do not go to Starbucks every day. I mean, I would if I could, but I only drink coffee like probably 3 times a week on average. So it is lunchtime now. I like to eat a lot of bagels, but they're not the best for you, so I create like these lower carb ones, and they just have like whole grains and stuff like that in them, and they taste really good. Something that I've been doing like over the past like couple months is I've completely cut out butter, margarine, oil, just because it's not very good for you. If I'm having something that has oil in the recipe, I'll use this, the Greek yogurt, as a substitution. And if I'm having like toast, I'll just put like peanut butter on it. So this recipe is super easy. All you need to do is combine 2/3 of a cup of whole grain flour in a bowl, and then 2/3 of a cup almond flour and 2/3 of a cup of oat flour. I actually really love to cook, and I feel like a lot of people don't know that about me. And then you're also gonna add like a little pinch of salt. I just kind of estimate on this. 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 cups of the Greek yogurt. This stuff is so good for you. It has like pretty much no fat and only natural sugar and like 17 grams of protein per serving. It's so good.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in 2.
And then you're just gonna mix everything together in a bowl till it forms like a dough.
Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar.
And my hands are covered. So once you have all of your bagels on the pan like this, you can just put it in the oven at 375 for about 20 to 25 minutes. Recipe will be linked in the description. So here's my lunch. I decided to have the bagel plain. And then I also have some carrots and peppers and some hummus to dip them in. I know it's kind of a weird food combination, but I'm a pretty picky eater, so usually that's what my lunch is, just a bunch of weird snacks. So I'm just doing my chemistry homework right now, and I'm just snacking on some dark chocolate. School's been pretty stressful lately, and honestly, my go-to is dark chocolate. Kind of a problem, but, you know, it tastes good, so yeah. We're just getting closer to supper now, but I'm going to my grandparents' house, so we're gonna have supper when we get back, which is gonna be pretty late. So I'm gonna take some snacks with me. So I have a cheese string and an apple just to hold me through. Once again, in the afternoon, I get really hungry, so I eat like a snack marathon, but it's all healthy, so it's fine. So for supper, Maddie and I are having some soup. I have squash. She has tomato because she doesn't like squash, and then we also have some biscuits, some of them made, and some salad, and we're having some milk and waffle. I also usually have a bowl of raspberries after supper. If you've never tried frozen raspberries, they're super good, and it's just fruit, so it's pretty healthy too, so totally recommend, and I'm totally addicted to these as well.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's a big red button. Hit it down below. Our Instagram will be somewhere on the screen here. Also follow us there. And I know I wasn't in this video, but Megan wanted me to do the end card, so see ya.
Baby, what about me? I walk away. I won't get too far. I try to stay miles from where you are. Such a girl gonna break your heart.
They're not the best for you.